Hello everyone. In today's session, we are going to learn the concept of transpose of a matrix. So what is transpose of a matrix? First, let us learn that. Assume I have a matrix A over here. Okay, and I am putting up some values in it. Say 2, 4, 1, 6, 23, 7, 45, 9, 12, 10, 4, 7, 3, 0, 78 and 11. So this is 4 into 4 matrix. Now what we are supposed to do in the transpose of a matrix, this is the row of a matrix, right? We have to arrange these elements into this matrix B, but in a way like this row should be placed in the first column of B matrix. I'll repeat it again. The first row of matrix A, should become the first column of matrix B. Can I put the elements? 2, 4, 1 and 6. Similarly, the row of matrix A, the second row of matrix A should become the second column of matrix B. We will again put the elements 23, 7, 45 and 9. The third row of matrix A should become the third column of matrix B. Can we again put up the elements? 12, 10, 4 and 7. Similarly, the fourth row of matrix A should become the fourth column of matrix B. Can I put up the elements again? 3, 0, 78 and 11. This is the task we have to achieve. Now, how it is going to be possible that the row of a particular matrix can become the column of a particular matrix? Let us now do the following. Well, both of these matrices are of 4 into 4 size, right? So definitely we will be working with two variables I and j, that is two loops we will be taking. So initially, can we just work with only one row? Let's just check it out how it will work. Can I say this 2 element, I have to place it where? Over here, right? It means A of 0, 0 is getting stored in B of 0, 0. Can we check it again? I'm deleting it for now. Let's just do with the steps. It means A of 0, 0 is getting stored in B of 0, 0. The next element, this, that is A of 0, 1. A of 0, 1 is getting stored in B of 0, 1, right? Similarly, the third element, that is this, A of 0, 2. A of 0, 2 is getting stored in B of 0, 2? No. Are we writing the correct statements? Not at all. Let me just write the first statement completely. A of 0, 3. 0, 3. B of 0, 3. Are we working correctly? Can we check it again? A of 0, 0, it means this element is getting stored in B of 0, 0. Correct, no problem. A of 0, 1, that is this element. It is getting stored in B of 0, 1. But B of 0, 1 is this position. No, we are not working right. We have to store it in this position. It means this is which one position? B of 1, 0, right? So we have to correct the statement. This is 1, 0. right? Similarly, a of 0, 2 is getting stored in not 0, 2, it is getting stored in 2, 0. Again, 0, 3 is getting stored in 3, 0, right? In the similar way, a of 1, 0, now we can again write the statements. A of 1, 0 is getting stored in b of 0, 1. Correct? Can we check it again? Similarly, a of 1, 1. Can we check it? This has to be stored in b of 1, 1. b of 1, 1. What about the next element? A of 1, 2. A of 1, 2 is going to be stored in b of 2, 1. Again, a of 1, 3 will be stored in b of 3, 1. A of 1, 3 is to be stored in b of 3, 1. And the same procedure will go on. Can we generalize it? Yes. If we can notice here, if the I value is 0 over here, then again the value of I will be incremented and it will be gone to 1, right? So can I write it like this? A of I, and what about this? This should be the j. Why? Because when the outer loop will be working for 1 time, the inner loop will be working for 4 times. That means if I loop works as 0, the j loop will work as 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So in the generalized way, we can say that a of ij, right? But how we are going to write it for the b? Can we notice that if a here, the value in a here, the value of I, it is constant for I, that is equal to 0. Similarly, it is here as well, the same, 1. And here, can we notice, can I write it like this? B of I over here, because the values of I are same here, like in here. And for here, I can write it as j. It means, can we say that a of 0, 0 is getting stored in 0, 0? Correct. But here, a of 0, 1 is getting stored in b of 1, 0. Completely opposite of that. Similarly, a of 0, 2 is getting stored in b of 2, 0. Completely opposite of that. It simply means that a of ij values is getting stored in b of ji. Correct? Now, let us move to the coding section. Here in the coding section, let me create an array first. A matrix first. So this is the A matrix. And in the A matrix, I'll be creating some rows and columns over here, right? I'll be taking 3 rows only. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, now again we will be taking B matrix. We don't know the length, I mean the number of rows and the number of columns over here. So definitely I'm going to write it like this. New int, and we will be mentioned over here a dot length, and over here also I will be writing, we can write a of 0 dot length, but for now it's okay if we'll write a dot length because they are both the same, right? So for transpose, I will be taking 2 loops as we discussed. One is for taking the I loop and the other is for taking the J loop. A dot length. So similarly, as we discussed, what we are going to write, we will write A of ij values should be get shifted into B of ji. we have to do this completely for all the values. After transposing that, I will write it over here, the code that we are writing this code for transpose. After transposing it, we will be writing another loop for displaying the values of the matrix. How we are going to do that? I will be writing over here B of ij. I will be printing some spaces in it as well. And after finishing up the inner loop, I'll be using the println statement. You know the reasons why. See, we have got the correct answer. Well, we don't know if we have transposed it or not. So let's do one thing. I'll be printing the A matrix as well, so that we will get confirmed that yes, we have transposed it. I will be writing it like this: A matrix, and over here I will be writing that this is the B matrix. Let us check it out again. See, the A matrix is the row of this matrix has become the column of B matrix. The row of matrix A has become the column of B matrix. The row of A matrix has become the column of B matrix. This is how we do the transpose of a matrix. I hope you have understood the code. Thank you very much for now.